Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Got a package from the famous Lock Chuck. Figured I'd share it with you guys. Open it up, see what we got. Always exciting to get new stuff. Yeah. I blew the end right out when I sliced it there. That's too funny. Alright, what do we got in here? First of all, some of the new Lock Chuck stickers. Super cool. I had a couple, I think I had one or two of these, but I didn't have the whole sheet yet, so that's awesome. Thank you, Lock Chuck. This one's probably my favorite one, the Picksmith Chili Pepper Nipple Chuck. This is a sweet, cool custom chuck, or pick. That's a really cool one. Awesome. Thank you, thank you. I think I know what these are, but we'll open these first, just because a little hint to what's... Oh, okay. I think I know what these are. Yep, these are the Master Lock keys, I bet, for the Master Lock 77. And Chuck made a few of them. Awesome. I can send one of these to Lady Locks now, so she'll have one for the lock I sent her. And I had 6 locks total. No, 5 locks total. I don't know if I sent any other ones out yet or not, but I'll have to double check, and I'm guessing that's what that's for. I sent one to Chuck. He decoded it and made a key for me. That's awesome. And some wire. And a tent stake. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. The meat and potatoes, so to say. I got to slice it a little more. I was trying not to cut all the way through the first time. I didn't want to damage anything inside. Oh, look at that. That is super cool. Chuck, I thought you were just sending one, buddy. He sent a couple locks. I was talking to him and mentioned that I would like to get into lever lock picking. That's super cool. Squire 660. Lever lock. Stay tuned for more on that. 4 levers. Got the little door there. That's cool. No key for that one, but as you know, we don't need keys. Just make it more fun, but look at this, a 770 in brass. Whew. This is beautiful. Oh man, Parky would have loved this. Look at that beauty. Whew. Alright, I gotta try that real quick. I was trying to make this a kind of quick video, but I'm sorry guys, I've never had a lever lock before. Always wanted one. Look at that key. Super cool. That is awesome. Really neat. Oh, I can't wait to make the tool and get going on this thing. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you, Lock Chuck. You're the man, dude. If you guys don't know who Lock Chuck is, go check him out. Any of you newbies, just other people that may not know yet, go check out Lock Chuck. He's a black belt, very talented guy, great guy. He's always on the, not always, but you know, he's on the live, Lady Locks Live and stuff like that a lot, every Thursday. In Discord, stuff like that. There's the Chuckster. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that a lot. More than you know. Take care, everyone. Have a good one. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some lever lock picking.